How to create dashboard in Monday.com. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a dashboard in Monday.com. If you don't know yet, Monday.com is a project management tool that lets you have a workspace so that you can manage all your tasks, all your details, and also you can monitor your employees. So first you can go to Monday.com and sign in. After that, you can go to your dashboard here. Then you can go to your left side here. As you can see, there is workspace here. This is my workspace. And you have to create a new workspace if you don't have yet. But if you already have it, you can just click plus icon here. And then go to board here. And you can choose either new boards from scratch or start with template. And we're gonna use new board here. So we're gonna create new board from scratch. So we can, name it task, and then you can choose for the privacy, maybe main, private, or shareable. And you can choose the items, and you can choose select what you're managing to this board. You can choose budget, employees, and other. I'm gonna choose items and just click create board here. And if done, this is my taskboard. You can name your group, your task. Maybe you can choose this is uh, team one, maybe like this, and this is team two. And then, as you can see, for the column, there is the item or the task and the person and the status and date. Also, you can add more column here. Maybe you need uh, numbers, maybe, or timeline. Let's say add a timeline here. And maybe you can add more, whatever you want, maybe a text for description or anything, So yeah, you can also modify it here. It's up to you. Yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.